Hi future artists! Are you ready for a super fun drawing adventure? Today we're going to learn how to draw a super cute fox. Grab your markers and let's get started. Wow, look at that. You did it! You've created a super cute fox. Isn't it amazing what you can do with a little practice? Remember, the best way to get better at drawing is to keep practicing. So, grab your markers and draw some more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time.